Well, I finally put in my vet door for the kitty cats to go through. I had cut the opening for a while so they get used to it. And the first day I put the door in, Max was okay with it. He figured it out with a couple moves. I just had to show him. Here's Max. You want to show him, Max? No? Just want nothing in there for him to go to. But Raven had a little trouble the first few days, and so I would leave it open a little bit, like so you can get through. But now it's no problem. They go in and out all the time. The reason I wanted the door in here too is I can lock it. So if I'm doing some work in the back, I don't have a problem with the kitty cats getting in the way, or if I'm doing some work in the front, same thing. Especially because I have to paint a few things in the back here and I don't want to get them wet paint on them. So I was really happy. It fit real nice. Works well. And it's not too noisy. I have to put a little stop on the door here from pushing out. Sometimes they make a little noise in the middle of the night. But it's another project done. Max sure likes laundry day, don't you, Max? Look at him. Where are you? Hey, Max. Are you having fun? Whoop! What's in there? Getting their breakfast dishes done. I had a couple friends over inside for breakfast. We had waffles, blueberries and raspberries, some back bacon and coffee. And Max and Raven are sleeping after being so excited with having company over. I tried a new food for the kittens today, and they are loving it. I'm pretty happy. I think they're stoked. Changed the food out a bit. They haven't stopped eating since I put it down. Got a pretty big cat stand in the ambulance. Kittens love it. They take turns sharing who gets the top. And on the bottom, it's got a little cubby hole. Last night, both of them were sleeping in it at the same time. That's kind of cute. I kind of like it. But we're having the afternoon nap. Ah, Raven's getting pretty big, huh? So, like I say, I'm going to paint my cupboard underneath the sink soon. I made a couple changes inside. I open it up. I made a little shoe rack on the one side. The other side I put some spring hinges, and I keep some cleaning supplies and a flashlight. So yeah, Max is like climbing into there. Wait, Max. So, come on. I also hung a couple grills on the door, so I'm going to paint that, and that'll be all nice and white to match. Well, I'm working on a couple other features, a couple other storage in the ambulance. I made a shelf up here. It's only got temporary, a little bit of vinyl that I had with me just to protect my head from bouncing it. I'm going to wrap the whole thing in vinyl. I'm going to put some outdoor carpet along the edges and fill this gap in here. And then Ian, who I met in Banff, he gave me this bar he didn't need, and it's perfect for, I'm going to use it for my towel rack. So dry my towels. Let's see, be pretty good. So after I use them, I got some towels up here. I also mounted, I bought this Ryobi 19 volt light with it's got a magnifying glass. I get lots of splinters in that. It's kind of nice. Two different brightnesses, so that's all mounted in. It's also hooked up with one of my 12 volt to 19 volt converters. And I also added this little mirror. Whoop. Kittens are playing. for shaving or whatever. So I kind of like that too. So that's going up there. I might have to make something to hold it to place. Maybe a little magnet or something. Might bounce around a bit, but we'll hold that on there. So yeah, I hope to get this finished in the next few days. And yeah, I think it'll look pretty good. Yeah, it's handy to have. So that's all that. Now, I guess you're waiting for the big reveal. My tattoo. I'll show you. So I'm just going to move the camera a little bit. And see if you can see it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. And there's my tattoo. Healthy adventuring, trees, mountains, and I've already decided I want to put a little road or trail down on here. So the next visit. So I'm really happy with it. First tattoo, 2 visits. So I'm really, I think it looks great. So let me know what you think.